Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Guys, first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. Today's walkthrough will feature the Heartland 2. It consists of 1,658 square feet, 3 beds, 2 bath. This house has it all, guys, so sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks. Check it out. Is this thing not beautiful? So number one, the front porch. The front porch is 100% optional, built on site by us. So you design it. This is a 6x30 shed style front porch. Okay, for the siding, you are seeing the red vertical siding on today's front elevation. They did run the horizontal on the sides and back to kind of save some costs there. So you know the vertical is an upgrade, and you know the red is a premium color. So on this front, they're kind of getting hit 2 times. And then on the sides and back, they're really just getting hit with that premium color option, okay? You are seeing the upgraded black windows. So when you go to the black windows, I do want to say you're not getting a better window by the specs necessarily. It's literally just the color. So don't think you're getting a lesser of a window if you stay with the white windows. They are the exact same specs, just the black is obviously black, okay? And then you've got a little stoop there tying into that side loading utility room. Notice the black gutters and downspouts tying in with those black windows. I just love this exterior. Super cozy, kind of that cabin feel back here in the woods. So I want to walk around the side real quick and show you a few things. I feel like I talk about it in a lot of videos, but I want to mention it again. The Nationwide homes do start with a 712 roof pitch, which is pretty rare. A lot of these companies are still doing like the 512 and stuff like that, so keep that in mind. As you can see, there's your horizontal red siding on the sides and back. Good way just to save a little bit of money by doing the horizontal on the sides and back. And then here's another little deck slash stoop tying into an additional exterior door that they added to the pantry, which I'll show you when I get inside. All right, so that is it for the exterior. Let's get inside and take a look. Check it out. So again, this is the Heartland 2, 1,658 square feet. Today's walkthrough will show you the 3-bed, 2-bath version with the large side loading utility room. As you can see, when you open that door, you are greeted by this very large, nice and open concept, okay? Everything kind of opens up into that giant island kitchen. Got your dining space over there to the left. Today's video will feature the included 8-foot ceilings. Keep that in mind, okay? You are seeing the luxury vinyl plank flooring ran throughout the home. I feel like I talk about this in every video, but with the Nationwide product, you are going to begin with LVP in the main spaces and wet areas. If you want it throughout the home, you are essentially paying for the bedrooms, okay? So let's slow down and kind of focus in on this kitchen. Number one, this is one of our new included cabinet colors. This is called Ash Walnut, okay? This is now one of the 3 included cabinet colors. You are seeing the black hardware today, so your cabinet pulls, your door hinges, door knobs, all that stuff is going to be black in today's video. You are seeing the granite tops today in the kitchen, complemented by that stainless steel apron farmhouse sink. Tons of lighting in the kitchen. You got 4 can lights plus that globe in the living room. Lighting is not going to be a problem in this plan. Look at all those can lights everywhere you look. You've seen a ton of range hoods. I feel like I talk about this in every video as well, but the mounted microwave is actually the upgrade there. You have 2 included range hoods to choose from. There are now 2 or 3 optional range hoods to include the new one in our model there in Burlington. But you can always mount the microwave there. And if you don't mount the microwave there, you've seen a ton of appliance shelves and things like that in our pantry. So this is that legendary Heartland pantry, okay? Now, what's unique about today's Heartland pantry is this customer, although they have a side loading utility room, they also added an exterior door off the pantry, okay? So they will have an exterior door off the utility room, off the pantry. Now, one thing they did not do, and by the way, these are Nationwide's new black lever handles, okay? For a long time, we've only had the knob to offer. Now we can offer the lever handle. Where I was getting at with the doors is one thing they did not do is add the additional door there. So they still just have 3 exterior doors. They could have really had 4, being that they added one in the pantry. Here's that floor plan. Again, 1,658 square feet, 27 feet, 8 inches deep. Shadows all in your way. 60 feet across. Master suite side. I'm standing at the island, big utility room over there. All right, let's keep it moving. So, oh yeah, I wanted to show you one more thing. So the flex study space, I get a lot of questions about this. What is this? What does it look like? Essentially, all it's doing is making a bigger dining room. How you want to use it, that's up to you. As you can see though, there is no built-ins or anything. It's just a bigger dining space. Good spot for a china hutch, a desk, whatever. All right. As you're going down the hallway, bedroom 2 to your left. And as I showed you outside, this customer did go with the black windows. That is an optional, an option or an upgrade. And as you can see, the grid pattern is actually black from the inside. Kind of cool. This customer also optioned in the premium Nationwide shelving throughout today's video as well. So the wire shelving is included, and you can always option in that upgraded shelving, or you could just leave out the shelving in total and do it on site yourself if you'd like to. Bath 2. One thing I definitely want to talk about today, in the bathrooms you will see the cultured marble. It is a man-made marble for the bathrooms only. It's only optional in white. It is a lot cheaper than, say, granite or quartz, but more expensive than, say, laminate formica. So it's kind of that middle ground for your bathrooms, only optional in bathrooms, okay? You can tell by the window seals, this home is constructed with 2x6 exterior studs, and what I mean by that is just look how deep the window seal is there, not your typical window seal. All these spare bedrooms are wired and braced for a ceiling fan, so you'll have an additional switch on the wall. And then another one of those night light outlet plates. So this is something Nationwide's doing in some of these hallways. Nice little selling feature there. Utility room off the side. I say it in every video, but I just love the side loading utility rooms. Very large. Most people's driveways set up on the side of the house, so this just makes sense. Got a little stoop coming off there. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, some of the big hitters today as far as upgrades: granite countertops, the black hardware package, black windows. As you saw on the outside, they went with a premium color siding with that red. Things like that. You are seeing the 8-foot included ceiling heights. They did not include their appliances. Well, they included the microwave and the dishwasher there, but with the Nationwide homes, the dishwasher is the only appliance that is included. So anytime you add a range or a fridge or the mounted microwave, anything like that, you would call that or think of that as an upgrade in your mind, okay? So let's get over here and check out that master suite. And the Heartland 2 can be a 4-bedroom house. You basically just take that utility room, put it in the pantry, the pantry space, and then you are going to make the dining room a little smaller and turn that utility room into a 4th bedroom. It actually works out really good. When you're on our website, make sure you're looking at the variations. So when you click on a floor plan, scroll down a little bit, look at the different variations that plan offers. Here, this is the master closet. I just wanted to show you the premium shelving and all the size in here. Nice walk-in, got the shoe cubby, all that good stuff. So double window, letting in, again, more natural light. You can always add windows if you would like. Here's that master bath. This is the included bathroom layout of the Heartland series. The only thing I would note is we typically start you with a stand-up shower. This customer wanted the tub shower combo, okay? So it'd be a stand-up shower, a linen closet, and then as you can see, you could option in the tub shower combo. You could do the bigger showers. You've seen a little bit of everything with this bathroom, okay? And we do have a Heartland 2XL now on display in Burlington. I have hinted at it in a few different videos. It will feature the bootlegger pantry, a stunning front porch. So definitely come out and take a look at that. We are going to have host a big open house for that model on a Saturday coming up. I will release more details on that as we get closer. We're gonna have some promotional items out there and make it fun. So can't wait to show you guys that. Thank you guys for the view today. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. You walked a Heartland 2 with me today, 1,658 square feet. We know there are Heartland 2XLs. We know we can make this a 2-story. So just keep all that in mind, guys. All my information is down there in the description. Please email me directly at shields, SHIELDS, at nccustom.modulars.com. Thank you guys for everything. Take care.